Good morning, second class children. So, welcome to the class and be ready for this new lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Rocks and minerals. Okay, yesterday I taught this lesson, isn't it? Had you understand that lesson? Okay, let me recap this lesson, then I will give you the hard words. Okay, now when I am reading, you just listen, children. Rocks can be found in the rocks can be found on the mountains, hills, valleys, under the rivers and seas. Okay, where you can find the where you can find the rocks? Yes, it can be found on where? Rocks can be found on where? Mountains. Okay, mountains. Then what? Where? Hills. Mountains means parvatalu, hills ante kondalu. Okay, next valleys under the river and sea. So these are the places where you can find the rocks. Okay, now found on mountains, hills and under the river and sea. They are various shapes. Okay, rocks are whether in only one shape? No, they are various shapes, sizes and colors. They are not in one size, only one shape. They are various shape and sizes and colors. Colors lo emem color untundi meeki? What are the type of colors you can find? Yes, one is grey color, one is grey, black and white color. Okay, so these are three colors you can see in the rocks. Okay, so different types of various shapes of rocks in what? Sizes and colors. Colors emem undu different colors, grey, black and white. Okay, the next one is some rocks are hard. Some rocks might be hard and some rocks are soft. Some rocks are hard and some rocks are very soft. Okay, now some rocks are hard, some are soft, some are smooth and some are smooth. And some are in layers and some are sharp. Okay, now see, mainly rocks can be hard, soft, smooth and sharp. Once again, rocks can be hard, soft, smooth and sharp. So various types of rocks, and here various shapes, sizes and colors. Colors are grey, black and white. Here rocks can be found on where? Mountains, hills, valleys, under the river and sea. Have you understood this topic about the rocks? Okay. The next one is, we'll go for about the hard rock. Okay. First let me start about the hard rock. I am going to discuss about the hard rock, children. So what is the meaning of hard rock? Hard rock ante enti? Yes. For example, you take granite. Okay, granite is a hard rock, sandstone and marble. Okay, what are those? They are very hard, chala hard ga untundi. Evi adi? Granite, sandstone and marble. Okay, what is the next one? Soft rock. What is the next one? Soft rock. What is a soft? What are they? Coal. Yes. Number 2, chalk. The soft rocks are coal, chalk and slate. Okay, another one is slate. So these are the three soft rocks. Hard rocks are three different types. Soft rocks are three different types. That is coal, chalk and slate. Hard rocks are what are they? Granite, sandstone, marble. Sandstone is completely where you can see, yes, you can see India Gate. India Gate is made of what? This completely only one stone, that is sandstone. They used only sandstone to build what? India Gate. Then what about marble, where you can see Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal is completely built with what? Marble. Okay, it is built up with what they are, which stone they had used? They had used only marble in Taj Mahal. Next, what about India Gate? They had which stone they had used? Sandstone. That which comes under hard rock. Okay, so a marble is what? Very shiny. And a sandstone color is, have you seen the sandstone color? See, you can see that, take out a picture in the, you can just you can see that in the chart also. India Gate, what is the color of that sandstone picture? Okay. The next one is, we will get into the slate and blackboard. The next one is minerals. Rocks are made of minerals. Rocks are made of what? Yes, rocks are made of minerals. They are made of what? Minerals. Okay. దేనితోటి చేస్తే పెద్ద పెద్ద రాయలు మినరల్స్ తోటి. What is the meaning of minerals? Minerals are nothing but they are different. You can see in different colors. Minerals are in different colors. Okay, children. Now, what are they? One is, shall we start now? Talc, silver, silica, graphite, tungsten, quartz, okay, china clay and china clay. Okay, children. So minerals are different. What are the minerals? They are made of what? Minerals. Minerals are different colors. Now, like, what are types of minerals you can find? Talc is made for where? Talcum powder. Silver and silica, in where you can use? The silver and silica can be used for mirror, to make mirror. Okay. Next one, graphite, pencils. Okay. Tungsten in bulb, quartz, watches, china clay in the pots. So how, in where they are using these all the minerals I had explained you, and I had given the name of the minerals. Okay, మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా? So rocks are made of minerals. Minerals are different colors. The name of the minerals I had given below. Totally 7 minerals name I had given, and where they are using, that also I had explained you. Okay, so is it clear this lesson now? Now get ready for the hard words, children. Okay, be ready for the hard words. Now, hard words. Hard words. Okay. First one, mountain. MOUNTAIN, mountain. Hills, HILLS, hills. Valley, VALLEY, valley. River, RIVER, river. Hard rock, HARD, hard. ROCK, rock. Hard rock. Graphite, granite, GRANITE, granite. Okay, so here marble, MARBLE, marble. Sandstone, SANE, sand. STONE, stone, sandstone. Okay, next one, minerals. minerals, minerals. Coal, COAL, coal. Slate, SLATE, slate. Chalk, CHALK, chalk. Next one, different, DIFFERENT, different. Next one, get ready, graphite, GRAPHITE, graphite. India Gate, INDIA, India, GATE, gate, India Gate. Taj Mahal, TAGMAHAL, Taj Mahal. Tungsten, TUNGSTEN, tungsten. The next one, diamond, DIAMOND, diamond. Necklace, NECKLACE, necklace. Next one, silica, SILICA, silica. Okay, next, silver. Now be ready, all of you. First let me give the word drilling, then I will start. Spell the word of mountain. MOUNTAIN, mountain. Hills, HILLS, hills. Valley, VALLEY, valley. River, RIVER, river. Hard rock, HARD, hard. ROCK, rock, hard rock. Granite, GRANITE, granite. Marble, MARBLE, marble. Sandstone, SAND, sand. STONE, stone, sandstone. Yes, spell the word of minerals. MINERALS, minerals. Spell the word of coal. COAL, coal. SLATE, slate. CHALK, chalk. DIFFERENT, different. 14th hard word is graphite. GRAPHITE, graphite. India Gate, INDIA GATE, India Gate. Taj Mahal, TAJMAHAL, Taj Mahal. Tungsten, TUNGSTEN, tungsten. Diamond, DIAMOND, diamond. Necklace, NECKLACE, necklace. Silica, SILICA, silica. Okay, now once again, without spelling. Mountain, hills, valley, river, hard rock, granite, marble, sandstone, minerals, coal, slate, chalk, different. Graphite, India Gate, Taj Mahal, tungsten, diamond, necklace, silica. Okay, the next hard word is, only few hard words are there, more I will write on the board. Please listen, children, you should write only in cursive handwriting. Sharp your pencil and write in the cursive handwriting. Okay, so when I am sending my hard words, they are all split letters, isn't it? So you please don't follow that split handwriting. When I am sending in the message, all the letters are split, isn't it? అన్ని విడివిడిగా ఉంది కదా, నేను మెసేజ్లో పంపించిన లెటర్స్, అక్షరాలు అన్ని వర్డ్స్, మీరు దాన్ని ఫాలో చేయొద్దు. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్, you must should write in which handwriting? Cursive. See, you just observe the board. The way how I am writing on the board, you please follow this cursive handwriting only. Don't write split handwriting. మీరు షూర్గా చెప్తున్నాను, అలా రాస్తే నేను కరెక్షన్ చెయ్యను. ఓకే, During exam also, you please keep the habit of writing only in cursive handwriting, not in the split handwriting, children. You are good children, I know that. You will follow my words and you are going to do it in the classwork. Okay. Show me the good performance. Now get ready for the next. Silver. S-I-L-V-E-R. Silver. Okay. The next one is blackboard. Spell the word of blackboard. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Board. B-O-A-R-D. This is also smooth rock. Okay. This is a soft rock. The next one is China clay. C-H-I-N-A-C-L-A-Y. China clay. It can be used to make pots, various pots. Next one, quartz. Q-U-A-R-T-Z. Okay, quartz. Next one, gypsum. G-Y-P-S-U-M. Gypsum. That's it, children. Okay. So 25 hard words I had given to you all. You please do this practice at home and write only one time. Okay. Now get ready for those hard word spellings. S-I-L-V-E-R. Silver. Blackboard. B-L-A-C-K. Black. B-O-A-R-D. Blackboard. This blackboard is also, it is a soft rock. It is not a hard rock. It is a soft rock. It comes under like chalk, slate, coal. Even blackboard is also, it comes under soft rock, children. Okay. China clay. C-H-I-N-A. China. C-L-A-Y. China clay. Quartz. Q-U-A-R-T-Z. Gypsum. G-Y-P-S-U-M. Gypsum. Okay. Is it clear, children? So all the hard words write only one time in the classwork. If you want to write more than one time or 2 times or 3 times, you can write it in the rub book. Okay. And do the practice more and more. And get ready. First listen the hard words. What the way how I had explained you and how I had pronounced the hard words, you listen it, follow this and you write it in the classwork, children. Okay. I hope this session is very clear for you all. Isn't it? And show me the good performance in the classwork. Thank you, children.